In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva website in WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options of either transferring or embedding your Canva design to a WordPress website instead. So this isn't going to be a direct one-click process like migrating from one WordPress host to another, because Canva websites are fundamentally different from WordPress sites. So even though you can do this, you will have to take some additional steps. So first, I'm going to be talking about the option of embedding your designs into WordPress. I highly recommend doing this if you have individual elements or sections that you would like to transfer. So as you can see, I have this extremely basic Canva design example with two slides: creation process and conclusions. Then I have my WordPress blog, and all that I have to do to embed this Canva design into WordPress is to click the share option. So open your Canva design, go to share at the top right, and you will see embed here. So choose the embed option and you will see the HTML embed code. This is how you will be sharing it and copying it into other specific platforms. So copy this HTML embed code. Make sure that you don't use the smart embed link instead. Once you have this copied, go over to WordPress. Inside of WordPress, what you will be doing is choosing the option to add a new section. So click anywhere on your page where you would like the slides to appear. So I'm going to put it on the middle of the page and look for custom HTML. So add this element. With this element, you can resize it however you prefer, and all that you have to do here is paste whatever you copied from the Canva design. So the custom HTML will go over here. Once you have it listed here, you can switch over to preview to see how it looks. And as you can see, the two slides that we have on Canva are now appearing on WordPress. So whenever someone visits my WordPress blog, this is what they are going to see. They can click on the slides or use the scroll wheel or the player options here to switch between the slides. Now, as I've said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be useful if you are transferring individual elements or sections. If you want to express your Canva design in its entirety, then it is going to be way more difficult. You will most likely have to manually rebuild your Canva website. There used to be a plugin available for WordPress that integrated Canva and WordPress together, but it seems like that specific plugin has stopped receiving support for years, so sadly I cannot recommend it in this video. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to convert a Canva website to WordPress, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I hope I was able to help you. Be sure to subscribe for more easy to follow instructions. Thank you for watching.